Today I'm going to teach about organization of living organisms. Living organisms are highly organized. This organization occurs in levels. The simple structures which lie at the lowest level of organization interact with other structures to form complex structures. The first level of organization is the cell. The cell is the most basic and smallest unit of life. Living organisms that have only one cell are unicellular organisms, whereas living organisms that have so many cells are multicellular organisms. Examples of unicellular organisms include amoeba, paramecium, euglena, plasmodium, chlamydomonas, and so on. Whereas multicellular organisms include hydra, spirogyra, volvox, plants, animals, and humans. Examples of cells in plants include the xylem cells, which are responsible for the transport of water upwards from the roots, and phloem cells, which are responsible for transport of sugars and other minerals all around the plant. Whereas in animals include red blood cells, nerve cells, white blood cells, epidermal cells, and so on. The second level of organization is the tissue. The tissue is made up of so many cells or complex cells to perform certain functions. Examples of tissues in plants include mesophyll tissues, xylem tissues, epidermal tissues, and so on. Whereas examples of tissues in animals include muscles, cartilages, blood, and so on. Hydra, algae, sponges, and fungi. The third level of organization is the organ. The organ is made up of aggregate tissues that perform certain functions. Examples of organs on plants include leaves, stems, roots, flowers, and so on, whereas examples of organs in animals include head, shoulders, feet, legs, brain, kidneys, heart, lungs, liver, and so on. The fourth level of organization is the organ. The organ is made up of systems that perform certain functions in plants and animals. The fourth level of organization is the system. The system is made up of organs that perform certain functions in the bodies of plants and animals. Examples of systems in plants include the root and shoot system, whereas in animals include the respiratory system, circulatory system, musculoskeletal system, digestive system, reproductive system, excretory system, nervous system, lymphatic system, and so on.